How to reset and recover Google Classroom password. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset and recover your Google Classroom password so you can get back to your lessons without any hassle. So let's just jump right in. For that, you can go to the Google Classroom app and open it up and you'll be prompted to sign in. Or you can directly head over to the Google sign-in page and enter your email address and click on next. And then once you are here, you need to click on this forgot password section. So you can just go ahead and tap on it, and under this passport field, you can go ahead and look up for this option called get verification code or different methods. So you can just go ahead and choose a recovery method that works best for you. And if you've set everything recovery options in your account, you will receive a code to enter. And once you have verified your identity, Google will let you create a new password. You can just go ahead and choose a strong password, something that you can remember but also secure. And once that is done, you can go to the sign page again and then enter your email address and your password and click on sign in. And that is it. That is how you successfully reset and recover your Google Classroom password. So I hope that this tutorial helped. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.